Hi, Mark and
Brian.
again. All right, we're talking about some causes of knee pain if it's non-traumatic. So no injury took place. It's usually just overuse or poor mechanics. So one of the biggest causes we see that can be a contributor to knee pain is a person who stands or walks with their feet pointed out. What happens with this is that if their foot's pointed out, their arch collapses, which means if your arch is collapsing, their foot is no longer stable. And if the foot can't be stable, no structure above the foot can be stable either. Because if you liken it to standing more like on a soft pillow, that's what you're pushing off of. You don't have a stable structure to push off of when you walk, run, stair climb. And because of that, then the foot itself can break down, which can lead to plantar fasciitis. The ankle joint can cause pain. It can be a cause or a contributor to bunions. But at the knee, when your foot is pointed out and your foot collapses and you walk, your knee is typically going one direction, your foot's going another, so your knee ends up collapsing to the inside, which puts a lot of stress on the inside of your knee, because that's being overstretched. It's being over compressed or squished on this outside of the knee, and that can lead to knee pain just because your foot isn't straight. We were designed to walk with toes pointed straight ahead, landing on your heel and pushing off on your big toe. We've had a lot of people take care of their knee pain just from correcting how they stand or walk. And it's amazing to us that a lot of people don't even realize they stand or walk that way until you point it out to them. Start looking around, you'll see a lot of people walk that way. Brian still does because he just don't get it. But you other people, if you don't want to have knee pain, look at that first. That may be the cause of it. If you have further questions, contact us at fitness4lifept.com.